Hey girls and boys, it's Mr. McAndrew. It's a Thursday and I thought I would, there's no big video from me today, but I wanted to make sure that I would read the word problem to you, okay? And so this will be a quick video. It says, so first of all, you want to take out your Thursday word problem. Okay, it says add or subtract, okay? And we've been kind of learning that sometimes it could be addition or subtraction depending on how you think of it, right? So it says, Felicia caught 4 butterflies. We've been talking about butterflies all week, right? How many more butterflies does she need to catch in order to fill up her butterfly net? Remember, a butterfly net holds 10 butterflies, like a 10 frame. So here's a 10 frame, right? And it holds 10 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if she's already caught 4, then the question is how many more butterflies does she need to catch? Okay, in terms of your number sentence here, there's actually 2 number sentences that you could write. So let's look at that for a second. All right, so it could be, right? One way to think of it is that she's caught 4, right? We know there's a total of 10, right? Because the question is how many more to get to 10. So we could say 4 plus how many more butterflies? Oh, I just gave you the answer. Plus how many more butterflies? Okay, that's a question mark, is going to get you to 10, right? Or you could think of it as the difference between 4 and 10. Like, how far is it between 4 and 10? So when you think of difference, that can be subtraction. So you could also solve it this way. You could say, what is 10, right? Take away what, question mark, equals 4. Okay, so, or sorry, yeah, you could do it that way. So actually there's 3 number sentences. What I meant to really do is you could do 10. So that's another way of thinking about it, right? If you have 10 and you took away how many, would you get back to 4, right? Or it could be 10 minus 4 equals, right? What's the difference between 10 and 4 equals what? Okay? All right, sorry I put the answer there, but I want you to make sure you show your work, okay, and figure out how many more butterflies would she need to capture to get to 10, okay? Again, we're working with 10th partners. For tomorrow, there's no video at all. It's just that I want you to write your own word problem. Okay, it could be addition, it could be subtraction, it could be a problem like I just showed you, like how many more to get to something, in which case it could be addition or subtraction. And if you could make the word problem add up to 10, that's ideal, but if not, that's fine too, okay? Just have fun, be creative, all right? You can make up whatever you want, and you want to go ahead and solve it and write down your number sentence. All right, boys and girls, have fun, and I'll see you soon. All right, be good, be kind, be safe, and be good to your parents. All right, bye-bye.